Greetings to all, bringing another video for the markets. Wow, this strategy I have already used before in some videos, but we are going to mention it again. There are people who tell me what the value of the average has, and sometimes this value is good. It's important, well, when I take it as post. Let's first go to the settings on just chart. It doesn't matter the time because practically the concept of exponential moving average that will be used here can be applied to time frame. Of course, I'm going to enter based on breakout on the trade continuation. Let's quickly go to the one indicator. It's a very simple moving average, right? So we're just gonna use this one. Just add this and change the settings. Go to that 200 EMA. The style is up to you if you want to use the same, if you want to change the color to be the best for you. Alright, and that's is good. So with that specific pair right here, this temporarily indicates the price is above this average. Generally the price is bullish. It only reflects that to me that I'm going to do this, making the push to look for entries close to the average in base or in rejection on the basis of breaking, and this very simple this entries I won't expect particularly. All right, the fact that the strategy has is that since it's very large for the 200 period, and what does it mean with the 200 period? Generally, the exponential moving average or any average based on period generates an arithmetic average that is formed over time. In this case, it takes the reference for the last 200 candles and draws the difference in the price. If the price is above, it's clearly bullish, and when the prices fall below, the price begins to the bearish. The concept is very simple. The expiration time will depend on the time frame. We already know the very well in this case, and I'm going to get at least 2 or 3 tickets for taking a reversion to that particularly, and that start amount is going to this right now $36. I am going to use much short decision for that, okay, on that operation, and we start with that 3 minutes on the expiration time and 5 minutes on this time frame to get a good analysis. All right, so right here 23 30 gives me an okay answer to the upside perfectly. That's not good. Look, that's how simple this strategy is going to be. Then while we're going to look for the first entry, when I have it, I will take it to explain it. All right, so let's change this for ME1 to see that and try to get this one. Change the time frame now to the 15 seconds. All right, so right here, guys, we have an upward trend. I double click and nothing happens right here. I have entered to the up the timer. We're going to use the timer in 1 minute. Since the temporarily is used, it's going to be 15 seconds, as I said. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Let's observe the macro. Observe the answer of the top side. When we change to the ME1, it's telling me that everything is going up and it's just counts as the rebound on the average, and that's respecting. That's pretty good for us, right? Come back to the 15. I'm going to wait for the price, but the position close, and when I have the results, we will see down the first position. And look at that, $57.06, guys. That's as good profits in our first operation. Position 1 on this one. Perhaps the waiting time can be 30 seconds and can be configured by the basis on the experience. I tried to explain it and answered based on the average. Based on continuation on breakout or recommendation, when the price and the time is depending on. Volatility, we always depend because sometimes it can rise very quickly to this point and the same fall. Second right here, all right, on that's one NGN West DTC. Let's try to take this one and make this profit for us. Okay, here we have an interesting pair that's pretty good. The detail is that there's already broken. You can see that. That's happening here of cars. There's very strong candles. The price making an impulse and come back because I entered it up. Let's see that. There's a lot volatile, so the point interesting very a lot. All right. Right here it tells me the price is going up. Look for the MU1. You can see that very clear. It's very volatile. It could be that those entries fail in these markets. But now, when it goes with structures, it's based on the average is considered the entry. All right. 5 seconds remaining. Let's see that. We're going to take this one. Oh yeah, we got this, baby. 115 seconds, 20 seconds. That's pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. We just got this. So right here, I almost lost this one. If you're lesson for the position on this one, okay, we can be the net another entry comes out. Look at this. Let's try to take this one. And coming up, I enter just the average. The average price rejects a seed grade volatile. Everything says yes. Again, the same pair, and what I do is wait. Now I do the wait for the last position.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
With this position, leave this how the session goes, either win more than lost everything. $228. We got this again. That's pretty good, guys. So a lot of wait because it's very difficult to trade when the price goes up and down very fast. It's very complicated. I prefer avoid the pairs, but for this video it's fine. Both position comes out positive. I almost lose the second one, but it usually happens like this sometimes. And what it is wait for the lowest point in 15 seconds for me to get the ticket in that's not entered in the list. Wait for a reaction. Well, I raised my account $36 to 228, and it's an interesting session. And while with the simple strategies, I invite you to leave an opinion in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. You can always ask us the doubts in having in the video broadcast every day, and have a happy day, guys. Wish good profit, good operations, and see you. Bye bye.